everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix, unfortunately, Discord has stopped error. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to your recent apps, close all apps including Discord, and reopen it on your device to see if it is a RAM specific issue. You can also head over to your quick settings and then head over to settings on your device. Once you're here, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on Discord, head over to storage and cache, clear the cache for Discord, and try again. If that too does not solve your problem, head over to Play Store on your device, head over to the search bar. Inside the search bar, simply search for Discord. Once you find Discord inside of your search bar, update it to the latest version. If that too does not work, head over to your app drawer, search for Discord, long press on Discord, uninstall it on your device and reinstall it from the Play Store. If that does not solve your problem on your device, what you must do is head over to settings. Once you're here, tap on storage, make sure that you have at least 2 to 3 GB of free space on your device. You must also scroll all the way down inside of your settings, head over to system, tap on system updates, and make sure that your device is updated to the latest version. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.